Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Vitamix 5300 is probably one of the most powerful blenders on the market, and for good reason. This machine can pulverize ice, blend the toughest ingredients, and create silky smooth textures that other blenders can only dream of. Whether you're a health enthusiast, a culinary artist, or just someone who loves a good smoothie, the Vitamix 5300 is designed to impress. Number 5. Vitamix Explorian Blender, 64 ounces, black, renewed. This Vitamix blender offers 10 variable speeds. It allows you to refine every texture with culinary precision. You can make anything from smooth purees to hearty soups. The pulse feature is great for layering. You can create coarse chops over smooth purees. This is perfect for recipes like chunky pasta sauce or thick vegetable soups. It has a powerful 2.2 HP motor. This motor propels the blades through tough ingredients. This ensures the highest quality blends every time. Cleaning is simple. Just add a drop of dish soap and warm water. The machine can clean itself in 30 to 60 seconds. No disassembly is required. Each machine undergoes a careful 17-point inspection. They examine it against high-quality standards. They streamline the packaging and offer it to you at an unbeatable price. Inside the box, you'll find the motor base, a 64-ounce low-profile container, and a tamper. Everything you need to get started is included. What we like? This blender allows you to refine every texture with culinary precision. It also features a self-cleaning function, making cleanup a breeze. If you are looking for a high-quality blender at an unbeatable price, this is the one for you. What people say? It has a 2.0 peak horsepower motor that can easily pulverize even the toughest ingredients, and its 10 variable speeds allow you to customize the texture of your blends. The blender also comes with a self-cleaning function that makes cleanup a breeze. It performs precisely as you'd anticipate from a Vitamix. It's an absolute powerhouse. Whether I'm concocting smoothies, simmering soups, or experimenting with pesto recipes, this blender has yet to disappoint. It consistently delivers impeccably smooth, creamy, and flawlessly blended results, aligning seamlessly with the expectations of a professional-grade machine. Number 4. Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender, 48 ounces, black. This blender features 10 variable speeds, giving you complete control. You can refine every texture with culinary precision, from smooth purees to hearty soups. With the pulse feature, you can layer coarse chops over smooth purees. It's perfect for recipes like chunky salsas or thick vegetable soups. The 48-ounce container is ideal for blending medium batches. It's perfect for small family meals, providing just the right amount. The blades are made of aircraft-grade stainless steel, designed to handle the toughest ingredients. You'll get the same quality results every time you use it. Cleaning is a breeze. With a drop of dish soap and warm water, it can clean itself in just 30 to 60 seconds. It also includes a radial cooling fan and thermal protection system. These features help to ensure the blender's longevity and performance. The box includes the motor base, the 48 ounces container, and the mini tamper. Everything you need to get started is included. What we like? This blender is ideal for blending medium batches, perfect for small family meals. Its hardened stainless steel blades ensure consistent results. If you have a small family and value durability, this blender is a great choice. What people say? It makes things very smooth. Ice, nuts? No problem. It blends whole meals, meat, vegetables, bread, and potatoes to a smooth liquid. Number 3. Vitamix Red 7500 Blender, professional grade, 64 ounces. Introducing the Vitamix Red 7500. This professional-grade blender is designed for both power and convenience. It's perfect for creating a variety of dishes. With 10 variable speeds, you have complete control. You can refine every texture with culinary precision. From smooth purees to hearty soups, it handles it all. The pulse feature allows for creative layering. You can layer coarse chops over smooth purees. This is great for recipes like chunky salsas and thick soups. The low-profile 64-ounce container is perfect for families. It also fits comfortably under most kitchen cabinets. This makes it ideal for everyday use. The aircraft-grade stainless steel blades are built to last. They can handle the toughest ingredients. You'll get the same quality results every time you use it. Cleaning up is a breeze with this blender. With a drop of dish soap and warm water, it can clean itself in seconds. It's a convenient feature for busy cooks. What we like. This blender features a low-profile 64-ounce container, fitting comfortably under most kitchen cabinets. It also boasts durable blades and a self-cleaning function. If you like a blender that is both powerful and space-saving, this is the perfect option. What people say. It blends up meat. It blends up any food basically. The unit is very stable. The unit is very sturdy. Mine survived a spoon, the blades were damaged but the unit survived. Number 2. Vitamix Propel Series 750 Blender, Black. Introducing the Vitamix Propel Series 750. This blender combines Vitamix's renowned performance with convenient preset programs. It makes it easier than ever to incorporate whole foods into your diet. It features 4 blending programs: smoothie, hot soup, frozen dessert, and dip and spread. These programs provide walk-away convenience and ensure consistent results every time. Cleaning up is a breeze with the self-cleaning program. Simply add warm water and a drop of dish soap. It's that easy to keep it clean. Take control with variable speed control and the pulse feature. This allows you to customize the texture of your blends, from smooth purees to chunky dips. You can get the perfect consistency. The BPA-free Eastman Tritan container and lid are safe for your kitchen. Plus, they're dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. This makes it a convenient choice. Experience the power of a 2.2 HP motor. This motor handles tough ingredients with ease, ensuring high-quality blends. It's built to last and perform. The 64-ounce low-profile container is ideal for multiple servings. It's perfect for all your Vitamix blender recipes. This container is designed for versatility. What we like. This blender offers the convenience of preset blending programs for smoothies, hot soups, frozen desserts, and dips. It also has a self-cleaning program. If you are looking for a blender that simplifies your blending process, this is the one for you. What people say. I drink a lot of smoothies and I am very pleased with just how smooth and well mixed they are. The size is great, it fits under my counter well. The best part is the cleaning cycle. No more removing blades and washing in each part. I just rinse it off, fill halfway with water, a drop of dish soap, and in 30 seconds it's finished. Rinse, let it dry, done. Number 1. Vitamix A3500 Ascent Series Smart Blender. This is the Vitamix A3500, a professional-grade blender. It features smart technology for a seamless blending experience. You'll love how easy it is to use. With 5 program settings, you can walk away and let it do its job. These settings ensure consistent results every time. It takes the guesswork out of blending. The 48-ounce container is perfect for small to medium-sized blends. It's the ideal size for everyday use. This container is durable and easy to clean. Take control with the variable speed control and pulse feature. You can manually fine-tune the texture of any recipe. It gives you complete control over your blends. The motor base detects the container size and adjusts settings automatically. You can add compatible containers and attachments. Build a customized system to fit your needs. The touchscreen controls give it a sleek look. They are also easy to wipe clean. This blender combines style and functionality. What we like. This blender features smart technology with 5 program settings for walk-away convenience. The touchscreen controls give it a sleek look. If you like the latest technology and want a blender that's easy to use, you should consider this. What people say. Durable. Quiet and easy to use. It really does all that it promises. This blender is just superior in every single way. It works with your phone and you don't even have to pair it. They just recognize each other when you're standing next to the blender with the app open. You put the ingredients in there, skin, pulp, seeds, and all, and select the smoothie button on the blender or the phone, or tell Siri to make a fruit smoothie, and 40 seconds later you'll have something that has the taste and consistency of a silky chocolate milk. Cleanup was under a minute as well. Also, unlike the tall 5200, this one fits neatly under my cabinet and has a little acrylic stand for the tamper so it doesn't roll around the counter. Lastly, this model has optional attachments, like a food processor and a Bluetooth scale, both of which I will absolutely be getting, making this the definitive choice if you're stuck trying to decide which model to buy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.